This video is about getting rid of the new adware named TaskAnalyzer. This phrase sounds quite convincing, but in reality, TaskAnalyzer is a typical adware that does not represent any value. It doesn't really analyze anything decent. It just analyzes what types of ads to force you into seeing. Now, TaskAnalyzer adware is from the AdLoad family, attacking many Mac computers. It targets Safari, Google Chrome, and other Mac browsers. So, if this adware was somehow installed into your Mac computer, you need to right-click on it through your Finder and move it to the trash. Don't hesitate to remove anything else that is suspicious. Finally, I recommend you to restore the computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install it, and then start carefully researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.